Hi guys, I hope you are all fine. Thanks for support me. This is a simple video. Now I guide you how to your improve editing. Follow my steps. Go to Effects. Click Video Effects. Go to Nightclub. Select Black Flesh. Now adjust in your clip. Go to Video Effects. Go to Nightclub. Select Black Flesh. Adjust in new clip. Click on Split Box. Click at Superimpose. Now split your main clip. Go to Effects. Select Vibration Flesh. Adjust in the split area. Go to Video Effects. Select Astral. Adjust in your clip. Now go to Video Effects. Select Shake. Adjust in the clip. Go to Adjust. Intensity 37. Adjust in your video. Now split the next clip. Select Superimpose. Now split the next clip. Click Split and select Superimpose. Split. Select Superimpose. Split. Select Superimpose. Now go to Color Grading. Contrast is 3. Saturation 50. Exposure 4. Sharpen 100. Go to Graph. So follow my steps. Adjust like me. Adjust in full video. Thanks for watching. If you like, then subscribe.